Hi, it's Miss Leah
and Miss Jodi
from the Cambria County Library. We're here to talk about our Summer Quest 2022 program, and this box came in the mail today. I wonder what could be
what's
inside of it. Oh, wait, what is this? Oh my goodness. Look
It's a shell phone.
Whoa, Miss Jodi, look at that.
I can call my friends and tell them to come to the library.
Very cool. Is there anything else in there? Let's see, what is this? What is that?
A pufferfish. Did you know pufferfish range in size from 1 inch to over 2 feet long?
Wow. I wonder what our summer program could be about. Let's see if there's anything else in here. Is it? I think it is. It's a message in a bottle. Wow.
What does it say? Read it, quick.
Open it up. It says, "See you at the library."
C-S-E-A. How clever.
Wow. Do you see anything else in there?
Oh, what is this? Looks like a secret decoder wheel. Wow. I wonder what the secret message is. Do you know?
No. Maybe we'll be able to figure it out this summer. Look at that. Wow.
Oh, wow. A Jolly Roger. Ahoy, matey.
Oh, ahoy, matey. Check that out. I think we'll be reading some really good books this summer. Oh my.
Oh, I think this one's going to take both of us.
Oh, let's get it. Ready?
Oh, it's so heavy.
Oh my goodness. Whoa, look at that. An anchor. Where would you find an anchor?
Maybe on our pirate ship?
Could be.
Maybe.
Oh, whoa.
Oh, wow.
I'll take this one.
Okay.
All right. Wow, that was heavy. Wait a minute.
There's more.
More?
This box just keeps going.
Wow. Whoa. Look at that. What is that? Oh, I think is that an oar?
We better start rowing our boat.
We better. Wow. All right. Let's set that down over there.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
okay.
Boy. This is, whoa.
What is that? What are we doing with a fish tank?
A fish tank. Wow. Wonder what you would find in there. I don't know. Put that over here. Do you think there's anything else in there, Miss Jodi? Let's see. Oh. Whoa.
Like we're going fishing.
Looks like we are. I wonder if there's any bait on that fishing rod. Let's see. Let's see what we could catch. We'll reel it in.
Oh, it's a big one.
Oh,
look at what we caught.
Whoa! We did catch baby shark. Look at that baby shark. Looks familiar, doesn't she? Wow. Well, we hope you can come visit us this summer at the library. We'll be doing lots of fun activities. I bet you can't guess what our theme is this summer.
Oceans of possibilities?
Maybe. Wow. We'll have lots of programs, Lego Club. We'll have our healthy eating program, summer lunches every day, Monday through Friday, 12 to 1, and lots of other fun things to do. Some goats will be visiting the library and some reptiles. We'll also have a visit with the National Aquarium in Baltimore. All right, we can't wait to see you. Bye.